After this. Go up one. Go up a little white one here, up and over. There, good. Good stroking there. Going up a little one here, going up, over. Right, let's sit on it now, girls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Right, rhythm now. Send it there. Get into that rhythm. Send. Right, come on, lift a little bit now. Let's push it up. Let's go. Let's get a send. Go on then. There. There. Good. Right, lift for 5 here now. Come on, lift through the water. Send it there. Good send. Send it. Let the boat do the work. There. Good. Good. You're still amongst it. Nice. Good rowing. Reach for it. Build and send. Build and send. Good. Right, we're going to go for another 5 here now. On this. 1. What's your Chloe? 2. Breathe. 3. 4. 5. Good. Lift. Right, lift into the can now. Slides. Watch the slides. 2. 3. 4. Good. Coming into the can. Breathe a turn. And turn. Set. Go. Lift out. Come on, lift. You're in it. Come on. There. Good. 2. Jesus. Set. Go. Chase it. Better go across it a little bit. 3. 4. Everyone else has to too. Little lift here. Use the run. There. Chase it. Girls, you're doing really fine here. Another lift here. Here it goes. Here, lift. Spin the hands. Roll with it. There it is. There it is. Use it. Use it. Good. Still on it. You're still on it. Good. Still. You've pulled up on Dickies. There you go. Good lift. Come on, chase it. Got a little lift here. Come on, over. Chase it. Chase it. Good. Nice work. You're still there, girls. Nice work. Lift. Lift. Come on, chase it. Chase it. Right, let's go. Chase this runner now. On this. Come on over. Chase it. Right, dig it out here. Use this lift. Use a little bit here. Come on. Good work, girls. Stay tough. Here it is. Come on. Lift here. There's a little lift here. Use it. Use it. Use it. Right, do something with this. Work hard for me here. Come on, get used to working hard. Chase it. Come on up.
Come on.
Up. Come on, chase it. Chase it. Good work, girls. Easy off. Well done. Oars across. Legs over.